Hey there digital folks, we are back again today and today we are going to talk how you can make $100 to $200 per day by learning absolutely free digital marketing courses. But why would you do this? You would do this because it is being launched and it is also being curated and developed by the best curators in this industry. And that is, it is being floated on the Google platform and also made by a very popular company called Coursera. Isn't that so great that you have both the things together? So today we are going to talk where you can learn these courses, where would you apply from there, and how you can actually scale up your career and start moving in this particular space. So with so much of economic uncertainties, you just do not know whether you would have a job or not have a job. The economy really changed the turmoil during the COVID time. And I think that was the best time when a lot of coaching companies came online and started curating digital courses so that it could help you scale up your career. But how do I go about it? Let's move on into my first free learning tool, which is Google. And for that, I need to go and type onto Google and say grow.google. The minute I type this, it actually helps me create a login or I register myself and I can actually go and see this long list of courses which it is offering for free. So I can go and click whatever course I want to learn. Now, for example, I want to learn digital marketing. I can go and click that. If I want to move into artificial intelligence, I can also go ahead and click that course. The beauty of this is that these are courses curated, keeping in mind the kind of target audience which is coming over here. When I click on digital marketing, it takes me into the page and from there I can actually go and enroll myself. So I can go and enroll myself. The minute I come on the enrollment page, I actually see the different time and the date when that course is available. Like in digital marketing course, I saw already 3 slots are filled and there are 2 more left. So I can go and enroll myself for the next available course. Based on that, I get a notification on my email and voila, I'm ready to go. But is there a catch to this? Like many people have gone, they have said that if you can try these courses within 7 days, it's absolutely free. So if you have the time and the bandwidth, I would suggest complete the course within 7 days, else Coursera starts charging you. I think that's being fair enough because every company wants to monetize end of the day. So I think this is a great way how you can go ahead and start learning these courses for absolutely free. The beauty of this is that it is powered by this company Google. So that's a real powerful tool where we can go about exploring various courses. But wait, am I finished yet? Not at all. I need to tell you about this very interesting job profile which is based on project management. Now, project management is a very high demand job and possibly if you are a freelancer or even working in an agency, you can make anything from $100 to $200 onwards. How do I go about this? So if people in Google are listening right now, you have not listed the project management as an option. I can go ahead and put Command F if I'm using it from my MacBook. And there what would it give me is I can go and put the project management course. So again, voila, this is what comes up. I can go ahead and enroll for this course and possibly start learning the tools which I can apply in my job or maybe as a freelancer. So while we are talking of Google, there are other free coaching areas where you can go and learn. There is Asana, there is Trello, and there is Monday.com. Go ahead and explore these places where it is as simple as going about learning the courses for free. Possibly Monday.com charges you from the beginning itself, but it's worth a try. Now we moved into the other 3 training platforms. While Google is definitely the king, we have Trello, we have Asana. These are also free platforms where you can actually go log in and start learning various courses. Let's explore how it works. So when I go on to Asana, it asks me for a login. I go and create that and voila, these are the free courses which are available for a certain time. Go ahead and explore the kind of course you want to do and start getting certified from Asana. That takes me on to my platform number 3, which is Monday.com. The paid version, go ahead and explore all these courses. It has a similar format. You log in and you create your account and you can have access to these. The best part is, though they are paid, but there is a real value over here because these are courses where the owners and the people who have created have really dived deep into these particular courses. You get a lot of value adds from here, and it is all explained with a lot of case studies, examples, and how you can implement it in your day-to-day lives. The fourth platform is Trello.com. Go ahead and explore this. This is also a very popular platform with the students, entrepreneurs, or even the junior executives. A lot of people are logging into Trello.com and exploring that it has an array of courses which you can explore it for absolutely free. So in a gist, I have just explained you how you can use these courses for free and you can start applying your skills from there. You need to integrate it well into the kind of positions you're looking to apply in this whole universe. What kind of positions are in demand? It could be an AI position, it could be a digital strategist, it could be a project manager, as we discussed as a case study in this video. Go ahead, learn these skills, apply, and like I said, go ahead and start applying it on various other platforms. So now if I go on to log into this particular course, I will get that these are the number of people who have logged into this course. It will also show me the reviews. Now the best part about this project management is it's a very growing industry, especially in the US. An average salary of a project manager estimated in the US is $75,000, which is a lot of money. So if you really want to upscale this particular skill, I would suggest go ahead and apply for this course. It is given in the condensed form, or you can also do it in the long form, which will possibly take few days. And as I said, you need to pay because Coursera has a subscription after 7 days. And once you pay, you will be certified, basis on which you can go. Now that brings me to my second question. Where would you actually go and apply for this with this particular qualification? So the two platforms which are very good, first is your Upwork and the other is Fiverr. Go ahead and explore these platforms. You can go and kind of see how as a freelancer you can put your skills forward and people can start connecting with you as a project manager. I would rather go in for Fiverr because Fiverr is more organized, and based on that, when I go to Fiverr and I put a project manager, this is the kind of things which actually it starts displaying, and there are basics, how people are charging for this. So there are examples you can see based on the kind of budgets you have and how you can hire somebody to be a project manager and take over your whole digital strategy and your marketing strategy and take it further. So isn't that so amazing that once you acquire the skills, you know the salary, you can go ahead and actually start facing it and also uploading your skills on these platforms. This is where the mail mileage will come from. So as you know, I covered the 4 basic tools which you can acquire your knowledge on. Go ahead and explore this. And if you like this particular video, go ahead and subscribe, as we will be coming out with more such videos on how you can actually upscale yourself and uplift your skills in the industry.